Understanding the Rule of 72, a simple trick for doubling your money. Hello and welcome to my channel. Wealth Warrior Karen Michal here. Today we're going to do a breakdown on one of the simplest and surprisingly powerful tools in personal finance and investing, the Rule of 72. If you've ever wondered how long it would take for your money to double at a given interest rate without using a calculator or spreadsheet, this rule is for you. Let's dive right in. What is the Rule of 72? The Rule of 72 is a quick mental math formula that estimates how long it will take for an investment to double in value based on a fixed annual interest rate of return. Here's how it works. Just take the number 72 and divide it by the annual interest rate as a whole number, not a decimal. The result is the number of years it will take for your money to double. What's the formula? 72 divided by the interest rate will equal the number of years it'll take your money to double. Pretty simple, right? Let's try an example. Let's say you're earning 6% interest on your investment. Using the Rule of 72, 72 divided by 6 equals 12, right? So at a 6% annual rate of return, it'll take your money about 12 years to double. So another example, if you're getting about 9% return, 72 divided by 9 equals 8 years. That means your investment doubles every 8 years. The higher the rate, the faster your money doubles. The Rule of 72 is based on compound interest, which means you earn interest not just on your original investment, but also on the interest it's already earned. It's not perfect, it's an approximation, but it's surprisingly accurate for interest rates between 6 and 10%. Beyond that range, it becomes a little less accurate, but still useful for rough estimates. For example, at 2%, the real doubling time is closer to 35 years, but the Rule of 72 says 36. I'd say not bad. At 12%, the real answer is closer to 6.1 years, while the Rule of 72 gives us 6. Still close. You can use the Rule of 72 in all kinds of decisions. Understand how quickly your money can grow in the stock market or mutual funds. Saving. See how slow growth is in a savings account at just 1% interest rate, if you get 1%. Realize how quickly credit card debt can double if you're being charged 18%. Let's do that one. 72 divided by 18 equals 4 years. That means your debt can double in just 4 years if you don't pay it down. Now that's a big ouch. Now, while the Rule of 72 is super useful, remember a few key limitations. It's an estimate, not a precise calculation. It works best with annual compounding. It doesn't account for taxes, fees, or inflation. It assumes a constant interest rate, which isn't always the case in real life. Still, for a quick mental shortcut, it's really hard to beat. Here's a cool twist. You can also use the Rule of 72 in reverse. If you want your money to double in, say, 6 years, just do the math. 72 divided by 6, you need 12% return per year to double your money in 6 years. The Rule of 72 is a fast and easy way to understand the power and danger of compound interest. Whether you're saving, investing, or borrowing, this rule helps you see how much time and interest it affects your money. So the next time people say, this investment pays 8% per year, you'll instantly know 72 divided by 8 equals 9 years to double. Now that's financial literacy, isn't it? If you found this helpful, try using the Rule of 72 to look at your own savings investments. You might be surprised as to how powerful compound growth really is. Thanks for watching, listening, reading, and remember that money doesn't grow on trees, but with the Rule of 72, it just might double in time. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe or like my videos, but if you want to learn about mortgage interest and how that's calculated or other educational videos, then I'd subscribe if I were you. Share this video with all your friends because everybody needs to know this stuff. If you'd like to learn deeper strategies, then look no further. Come and learn while you earn. Karen Mihill, Wealth Warrior, 604-782-8384. Thank you.